Hi! In front of me is POCO F5 and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down just a bit to access Display. Then scroll down again. Click on the text size and swipe left or right on this slider to adjust it. You can see preview above. When you're ready, just click on the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!